Alright, YouTube watchers, starting today we have this 36-inch industrial ceiling fan. The label is very vague. This is AC ceiling fan on it. If you look at it, it looks like a gold line. It's a cast iron motor. Another tag. AC ceiling fan, 36-inch, 60 cycles. Made in Hong Kong. It's the only tag we got in this thing. Oh. That's the little number that they wrote on the half tab. As I said, this is cast iron. It's a gold line stripe. It has copper cavity. It has these curved industrial lids. Let's go ahead and put it on low and see what we get. This is on the Dayton variable speed control, 3 amp rated. Low speed is actually reacting really good. Let's see, lowest setting on this control. Go ahead and go to more of a medium. Let's go ahead and go to high. First cast iron 36-inch industrial I found, so we're definitely keeping it. Not that common. I think last I heard this was made by Palco, but not labeled Palco. It's labeled something else, but no one knows. Alright, so let's go ahead and spin down. And then I'm going to go over here. Fan's pretty good actually, the bearings are good. As a soon as I didn't do anything to it. I really need to find my tripod. I don't know where it's gone. Or buy a new one, I guess, but it's whatever. There you go. Thanks for watching.